Okay, let's go on this adventure here. This is our walk out to dinner. It's 72 Fahrenheit, 22.2 Celsius, I believe. We had 3 meat pizza. At least I did. She's not eating. I don't know what's wrong with her. She'll eat the chicken. She won't eat the pork no more. Might try switching to the canned dog food. Look at these. Oh, hold on, puppies. I got more blooms popping up too. Sure do. Okay, let's go. And I still haven't gotten the older videos off this camera yet. I'm still trying to work on that. So I'm just doing a video every other day because I can do one type of video each day. One 16 by 9 and one 9 by 16 until I can figure it out. Good boy, Barkley, good boy. Lucy, I want you to do something too. This is your last walk until morning. We saw a deer out here too early this morning before work. It was dark out. But I don't know if it's my iPhone or my camera that's messing up. Anyway, my iPhone gets overheated, and then it just closed the apps, crashed the apps, camera app. So I'm tired of contacting the camera company about it. I don't have a cheap iPhone either. It is a few years old, but still, it's an Apple product, supposed to have a high processor in it. What you guys doing? Good girl, Lucy. Good girl. Barkley. Grapes are gone.